Alright guys, this is going to be a short update video. Okay, so here we have, obviously as you can see, the engine is already in the car with the transmission and clutch, flywheel, everything. I did run into some issues. The original video was going to be about me putting the gearbox, transmission, clutch, all of that onto the engine and dropping it into the car. But I managed to get a hold of the wrong bolts to the flywheel, so I decided to use old ones. And if those bolts are correct or not, I can't tell you. And I just really had to get the engine in there to start all the wiring. So we will revisit that later. We're not going to be dealing with that right now. So currently it's using a Volvo 850 GLT flywheel with a Volvo 850 T5 2.0 liter Italian import clutch. So we'll see how this works out, but it should work. Everything fits, everything sits nice. So, but I guess I'll give it a shot, and then I will maybe revisit that later when we upgrade the clutch, which will probably be right after MOT, because the stock clutches, they're not very good. I've also done an update on the inside here where we have put the dash back. We've cut a few holes here to get the dash in. Yes, you do gotta cut up quite a lot in order to wiggle it in there. There's a lot of angles and wiggling to get that in there, so you need a lot of space here, and it looks not good. But I'll try to, tidy that up a little bit. Also, the corners kind of gave way. I was gonna keep a piece back here, but that kind of broke off immediately. There was no steel support in that. So once you started cutting, it just kind of fell off. So you're gonna have to do something different there. It is a scrappy dashboard though. It's got cracks all over it. You got a crack up there, one over there. So it's not a very nice dash. So I decided to use that one to cut in. Anyway, so what the focus is gonna be about is wires. It's to get all the wires in, get all the wires hooked up, possibly even put the lights and stuff back. We're gonna use the stock front end again, just to get through MOT, and then we'll deal with that later. It's getting through the MOT, that's the big point right now. I just want to do that, and then we can come back and do a bunch of things. I already have a whole list of plans that I would like to do, but anyway, I gotta get back on doing all these wires, so I'll start doing that, and then I'll bring you guys a video about that. All right, see you guys later.